Keep bad mind out of my heart. Keep negative out of my thoughts. Me know say it's easy to free the wrong way, so Jaja please guide me every day.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It is always a blessing to have you back here. If it is your first time here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I don't know if I'm going to post this on my cooking channel or I'm going to post this on the home decor channel, but I think I probably will post it on both. Anyhow, it's actually the day after Thanksgiving. I didn't have Thanksgiving dinner at my house this year, but I did. We did have Thanksgiving dinner though, but I did it at my daughter's house. And to say I did cook, okay? I know it's a little bit dark just because I'm sitting in my living room. It's pretty lighted back there, but it's pretty dark here. This is how I feel right now. I just want to chill. I was watching a movie though. Well, that's for sure. I was watching a movie. And I kind of paused the movie to just kind of make a quick video. It is damn cold outside. Let me tell you something. Sometimes it's cold out the door, me not feel like do nothing. Just to say, I'm not a very fun person when it's cold. However, Thanksgiving was a blast though. I did have a good Thanksgiving. I'm gonna put some inserts right here. So a little voiceover because there was music playing. So watch this. So just let's say I did not feel like doing turkey this year, especially since I was cooking at my daughter's house. I did not want to do anything that had to do with turkey or anything massive. But I did make a couple of recipes here. Um, let's see, what did we cook? I did make a massive mac and cheese though, because everybody love mac and cheese. They love my pineapple mac and cheese, but I didn't do that this year. I just make regular mac and cheese, and they wanted to have that crisp topping on top. That's what my husband loved it. So I made that especially for them. And then we did do some curry chicken and curry goat, but this is the brown stew chicken, right? So I did do that for them. And then here is the goat meat, curry goat. And then we did do, which one this? I think that is, let's see. Oh, that's the oxtail. So, but the oxtail, because that was requested, and them oxtails is so damn expensive. It's not even funny. It was like $120 for the oxtail. And then that is the curry chicken, because you know you can't have that without Thanksgiving without the curry chicken. And then I did make some rice and peas here. They want to put some pigtail in it, but husband said hell no. So we just made that, and I did use the jasmine rice to make it. The only thing that my second daughter requested, and I had to do it, was this ham here. So I didn't do the turkey, but I did promise her to do at least the ham. So I made the ham, and then I made some gravy to go with that good old ham. Okay. Of course, my pressure cooker, right? That's all daughter insisted I bring my pressure there to make things easy. So right here is some I think that's strawberry or cherry cheesecake, and then we have some New York style cheesecake. My daughter bring all of them one here to Oreo cookies, cake and red velvet cake, and I don't like them cakes because those cakes are filled with nothing but icing. You know what I mean? And we did go get some little drink, just regular juice and stuff, and lots of water here. And I just love this bottle drink. This one here, them I think I Smirnoff met them, but this one I never used drink this brand before. But daughter went to Walmart and got this instead of the one that I usually buy. It's not as strong as the one that says Smirnoff, but it is still good. And then we just got like regular juice because that's what I wanted, and that was it that we got. Water, like a bottle of something, and that. And then my daughter did get some wine. So that's all we had, y'all. That is all we had. Nothing else. That was it. And like I said, this is my daughter's house. And my second daughter was in the living room, y'all, watching TV. Okay. Those are the wine, and we did have set up a little snack bar right here, cheese and grapes and different things on here, different kinds of cheese and all of that, the snack thing, right? So, and crackers and lots of wine, yeah. So that was good. So we just kind of chill. Listen. This Thanksgiving was very chill. Okay, we just never want a Riri and a Lele, and that is my second daughter right there. Tashik. I'm gonna tell you guys about her closing line. She started her closing line a couple of months ago, and she's doing very well. I just wanted things to kind of bloom and to get things set up before I showed you guys anything. But yeah, I'm going to talk about that later on. That's my husband right there, and that's about it. That was Thanksgiving at daughter's house, so spending with the kids, and yeah, all three of my daughters was there. But needless to say, it was a bliss. I did have fun. It was very small. It was just me and the kids and husband. That's all. Didn't want to have no crowd this year, and I didn't want to do a lot of cleaning up this year. But we didn't do turkey, that's for sure. We did do basic things. When I say basic, I mean basic. Just keep it mellow because I wasn't trying to be all tired out in the kitchen. But anywho, y'all, this is just gonna be a quick video, just to say what's up and hello. I'm going to try to do Vlogmas here on the cooking channel and here on the home decor channel. So your girl will try to bring it. So it's gonna be random things. Maybe I'm just gonna be sitting in my couch all bored and shit. But you're just gonna see a video, that's for sure. All right. Yeah, it's going to be pretty interesting. I am going to be in Florida for a couple of days. For those of you that don't know, my sister is presently dealing with cancer. I did talk about it in a prior video, but yeah, I'm going to go down there. She's having her 4th round of chemo in a couple of days, so I will be there for that. And so I'll be there for a couple of extra added days after the day of her chemo. And then my oldest daughter is supposed to be there with me. She's coming down. My second daughter wanted to come, but she has to work during that time. And you know, it's a holiday, so you know she can't get to take time off right now. But yeah, I'm gonna be in Florida, so you're gonna see a couple of vlogs in Canada. Canada, I mean, I got Canada too cold. But you'll definitely see a couple of vlogs in Florida. Okay. I won't be able to cook, that's for sure, but I'll try to upload some things that has a lot to do with food. And as far as the cooking, as far as the home decor channel, if you're watching from here, the home decor, I will definitely do some videos before I leave. So the videos that you will see will be pre-recorded videos for sure. Otherwise, a Vlogmas, so Vlogmas mean anything mas, right? All right, y'all. That's going to be a brief one. I'm going to wrap this one up here. And just say I love you guys so much. Thank you all for the love and support that you show here on my channel. It is appreciated to the max. Okay. Be sure that you all liking the videos and subscribing to the channel and doing all that other good stuff. You know what I mean? All right. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. I'll see you later. Okay. Later. Peace.
Keep bad mind out of my heart. Keep negative out of my thoughts. Me know